So somebody asked me to explain the red and green trading bars from Socrates. Um, for the new folks, Socrates is a AI tool that tracks 1,000 markets and actually writes its own report as opposed to ChatGPT. So uh, I'm just sharing a preview, but then I'll go in depth in the private Substack. Basically counts the number of bull from the last low. So in this example, we have Dow Jones and it was 56 bars at a bull cycle until we kind of start getting jittery and then finally go down. Also 21 and also 7, 11, 26. This is weekly, so disregard that. But basically they're counting from the last low, and that's why when the bar is higher, we are approaching that end of the count. Hopefully that helps. And in the end, I want to show that we still have at least 2 bars for Dow Jones, but on the weekly, there's weekly too. We are approaching in 3 weeks a turning point. So be careful with that. Good luck.
Yeah.